As you can see, we have a group of brushes that will help you clean the floors, and you can also change the pieces according to the need to the sponge. And we also have a group of these amazing things that you can use to build fences or put foot massages in them, and see this new chair that you can collect, which is small in size, and you can see all the colors and see them at a very excellent quality. You can take them when you are out of the house or traveling, so it will definitely benefit you a lot. And we also have this amazing dough that helps you clean the car, or you can put it even in the windows. As you see with me, exclusive things that will definitely help you organize and arrange the houses, especially for the kitchen. And we also have this invention that helps you peel vegetables and fruits in a very easy and effortless way. And we also have this invention that helps you walk in water with ease, as well as in the mud or dirt, as you can see, so the idea of it will be practical. And we also have these cups that you can put a lot of things in them, as well as a group of ideas that are diverse. Through this video you will discover them, and I will definitely wish that every woman will have them in her house. And we also have these products that I share with you. You can find some of them in your countries, so you don't have to mix them well. You can find them in stores that are specialized in selling internet products, as well as on social media sites. There are sellers who sell in general and those who sell on a limited basis, for example, on pages or groups on Facebook, as well as on Telegram and Instagram channels. And you can also find some of them in the usual markets, as well as in large stores such as Mojon or Carrefour, and of course there are many markets. For those who follow from outside Morocco or from inside Morocco, you can find all these products that you see with me on websites of electronic devices such as AliExpress, Amazon, and Alibaba. You can also find them on the websites that I mentioned in the Play Store app, or you can search for them on Google, and you will find them, and you can also find them in your country's language, so it is easy for you to search for all the products easily, and you will even know the prices for your country's currency, and you can find the low price, which is very important. So I hope that you will benefit from these details and get these modern and innovative products. The goal of these videos is to try to search for everything that is new and exclusive in the world of technology and home inventions that will certainly benefit everyone in their home. And for those of you who follow from inside Morocco, if you like one of the products that I shared with you, you can enter the name of the product or the minute in the box. I will leave all the links for you. You can click on it and enter the page and order all the products from there. For the page, it is also available inside Morocco, and there is also a store specifically for internet products, so if you are interested, as I told you, just leave me a comment below. As you can see, I have a group of modern tools with different photos and their small size, which also suits all categories of small houses, especially for the kitchen or bedroom, as well as the bathrooms. In this way, of course, it will provide additional spaces because most of these products, as you can see, are very small. Also, their usage method is very easy. As you can see, they try to explain to you all the products and their usage method to get you closer to their excellent quality. As you can see, there is a group of ideas that are of course diverse, especially for you. As you can see, kitchen supplies or a group of clothes or a new living room. As you can see, a chair in a new and exclusive shape, which of course your children will love. As you can see, there is a group of things that will help you to spread, such as clothes or a group of flowers or vegetables, as you can see, a spreader that is round. As you can see, there is also a group of things that are not so simple, a group of things that are necessary and things that are additions according to the needs of each woman for her organization and arrangement in her home. As you can see, there is a group of things that are not so simple, a group of things that are necessary and things that are additions according to the needs of each woman for her organization and arrangement in her home. As you can see, there is a group of things that are necessary and things that are additions according to the needs of each woman for her organization and arrangement in her home. And it is difficult for them to go to their homes and work thanks to these inventions. You will control the situation and win your time and effort daily. Here we have a new type of carpet and a set of this brush that you can put in the basket and you can put it anywhere you want. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to like and share with your friends to encourage us to make more videos and to get more people interested in this new technology, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and supporting me. See you in the next video.